Hello. How are you? Hello. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm fine, thank you. And you?
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is John. What's yours? My name is John. What's yours?
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Philippines. How about you? I'm from Philippines. How about you?
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 25 years old. I'm 25 years old.
Do you live in a big city? Do you live in a big city?
No, I live in a small town. No, I live in a small town.
What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies?
I like reading and traveling. I like reading and traveling.
Do you play any sports? Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer. Yes, I play soccer.
What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. I like pop music.
What do you usually do on weekends? What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually go out with friends or relax at home. I usually go out with friends or relax at home.
Do you like cooking? Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it.
What do you do? What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher.
Do you like your job? Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy it very much. Yes, I enjoy it very much.
How long have you been working here? How long have you been working here?
I've been working here for 3 years. I've been working here for 3 years.
Do you work full-time or part-time? Do you work full-time or part-time?
I work full-time. I work full-time.
What's your favorite thing about your job? What's your favorite thing about your job?
I love helping people learn new things. I love helping people learn new things.
Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a brother and a sister. Yes, I have a brother and a sister.
Are you married? Are you married?
No, I'm single. No, I'm single.
How many people are in your family? How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people in my family. There are 5 people in my family.
Do you live with your family? Do you live with your family?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Excuse me, where is the nearest bank? Excuse me, where is the nearest bank?
It's just around the corner. It's just around the corner.
How do I get to the airport? How do I get to the airport?
You can take a taxi or bus. You can take a taxi or bus.
Is there a supermarket nearby? Is there a supermarket nearby?
Yes, there's one down the street. Yes, there's one down the street.
How far is the station from here? How far is the station from here?
It's about 10 minutes walk. It's about 10 minutes walk.
Can you show me the way? Can you show me the way?
Sure, just go straight and turn left at the traffic light. Sure, just go straight and turn left at the traffic light.
How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great, thank you. I'm feeling great, thank you.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine, thank you for asking. Yes, I'm fine, thank you for asking.
Do you have any allergies? Do you have any allergies?
Yes, I'm allergic to peanuts. Yes, I'm allergic to peanuts.
What's the matter? What's the matter?
I have a headache. I have a headache.
Are you tired? Are you tired?
Yes, a little bit. Yes, a little bit.
What time do you usually wake up? What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you do in the morning? What do you do in the morning?
I have breakfast and then go to work. I have breakfast and then go to work.
What time do you get off work? What time do you get off work?
I finish work at 5 p.m. I finish work at 5 p.m.
Do you go to bed early? Do you go to bed early?
Yes, I usually go to bed around 10 p.m. Yes, I usually go to bed around 10 p.m.
How do you spend your evenings? How do you spend your evenings?
I relax, watch TV, or read a book. I relax, watch TV, or read a book.
How's the weather today? How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm. It's sunny and warm.
Do you like the summer? Do you like the summer?
Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it.
What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is autumn. My favorite season is autumn.
Is it going to rain tomorrow? Is it going to rain tomorrow?
Yes, it looks like it might rain. Yes, it looks like it might rain.
How hot is it outside? How hot is it outside?
It's around 30 degrees Celsius. It's around 30 degrees Celsius.
How have you been? How have you been?
I've been doing well, thanks. How about you? I've been doing well, thanks. How about you?
Long time no see. Long time no see.
Yeah, it's been a while. How have you been? Yeah, it's been a while. How have you been?
Do you want to hang out this weekend? Do you want to hang out this weekend?
Sure, that sounds fun. Sure, that sounds fun.
Are you free tonight? Are you free tonight?
Yes, I'm free. What do you have in mind? Yes, I'm free. What do you have in mind?
What do you want to do? What do you want to do?
Let's go to the movies. Let's go to the movies.
When can we meet up? When can we meet up?
How about Saturday at 6 p.m.? How about Saturday at 6 p.m.?
Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go?
Let's go to that new cafe downtown. Let's go to that new cafe downtown.
Can I bring a friend? Can I bring a friend?
Of course, the more the merrier. Of course, the more the merrier.
Do you have any plans for tomorrow? Do you have any plans for tomorrow?
Not yet, I'm open to suggestions. Not yet, I'm open to suggestions.
What time should I pick you up? What time should I pick you up?
How about 7 p.m.? That works for me. How about 7 p.m.? That works for me.